Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm sound, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm well. Thank you very much. Jagdanand, you know that we depend upon farmers, right?
Yes.
So, could you explain life of a farmer?
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. With muddy hands, they shape our fate. A farmer work is really great. Empowering farmers is empowering nation. A very good afternoon, everyone. I am Jaganan of Class 8, studying in default school, here to acknowledge about the life and hardship of farmer in India. In India, farming is not only a profession, but also it is the way of life. Now, the way of life not only means farming, but also the farmers who wake up from the dawn of hardship to night. They work for our fulfillment. The lives that feeds a billion of people. The lives that contribute over 40% of our grain globally. The lives that depends upon farming. The lives that fulfills and feeds us. None other, the backbone of our economy and nation, it's the Indian farmers. Now, waking from the dawn to night, in scorching sun to pouring rain, they work for us to feed us. Over 40% of the census of the grain globally comes from India. From the census 2011, the Indian population as farmers were 60%. Now, what are the struggles of the farmers generally faced? From the lack of financial instability, as many farmers today in India are not able to cope up with the inflation, and there are many suicidal rates, which determines the decrease in rate of farmers. Secondly, the equipment, the technology. Some farmers are unable to get the special productive and progressive equipments and technology because they are unable to afford it. Thirdly, due to global warming, the unpredictable weather changes that causes the crop destruction. As in India, mostly the farmers depends upon the monsoon season as the rainy or monsoon season, which determines at the bountiful harvest. If there is a monsoon in a delighted rate, that gives us the bountiful harvest. In the consequence, if there is more monsoon, it would rise up the bad effect of the bad harvest or crop failure. Now, another struggle of the farmers are the suicidal rates are more because of the less payment or the not the fair prices of the crop, which causes the financial instability, and at the end, the farmer had to suicide.
All right, Jagdanand, in that case, as you know that farmers should be given priority. So, what would you like to share that the Indian government or the people really have the responsibility on them?
Yes, sir. Not only government, but we shall also take the responsibility by providing the basic needs of the farmers. The government is trying their best as IoT and different region and organization of the governments are trying their best to provide and educate the farmers in fertilizers, giving the rate of fertilizers and different educational purposes to the farmers through which they educate the farmers to means the harvest shall be more bountiful and
Okay, listen, if you get a chance to be a chief minister of Odisha, what step would you like to take for the farmers?
the first step it would be that the basic need and the technological reforms that the new basic needs are coming. I shall provide the first basic needs of the farmers from be it from the land or to different fertilizers or and using less chemicals that are harmful for us and the crops too.
Okay, thank you, Jagan. Wonderful, well said. God bless you. Okay, have a great time ahead.
Thank you, sir.